Hello guys, welcome to Local Marks Fishing. My name's Will, and in this upload I'm going to be showing you how to replace the recoil starter gear on a BF5 outboard engine. That's a 5 HP Honda outboard engine. So the problems occurred with this engine when I was out fishing on my Sib and I went to start the engine. When I pulled the pull starter, I didn't engage the gear cog with the flywheel cog. So as I pulled the recoil starter and it rose up into the flywheel cog, it went too fast because I didn't engage it first. So I pulled it really quick. It was spinning incredibly fast, and as it went up into the gearing, it just clipped it and it shattered into pieces. And so this upload will detail the repair as a result of the damage caused by that action. So if anything can be learnt from this upload, it's the importance of engaging the gear into the flywheel cog and feeling that bite before you pull your pull start. It may be obvious to many people out there, but I'm a first timer and this video may appeal to first timers that can learn from that. Always engage that cog before you pull that starter. Not only that, you'll learn how to replace the recoil starter gear should the same thing occur to you. I hope you enjoy this upload. Thank you for watching, should you continue to watch on, and I'll see you guys on the water. Take care. Cheers guys, bye for now. Bye.